How to insert page numbers in Google Docs. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to insert page numbers in Google Docs. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So from in here, we can just head over and search for docs.google.com. So we can just click on that. So let's search for this. And then as you can see, this will load and open Google Docs. So let's click on the page right here. So for example, you have something like you have 3 pages worth or 4 pages or 5 pages worth of pages right here. So if you want to insert the page number, what you can do is just click on this insert right here, and in here on the bottom you can see the page number. So you can see the page account, or you can also click on more options, since you can just choose this format or this format, this or this. For me, I will choose this one right here. And then as you can see on the header page, I can see a number. The next page I can see 2, next page I can see 3, and next page I can see 4, and so on and so forth. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to insert page numbers in Google Docs 2023. If you have comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.